commissioning the 115 and 85 horsepower boats, which can carry 22 passengers. Governor Uduaghan said the boats were a demonstration of his commitment to develop riverine transport. He said the boats have been subsidized to empower the people. The governor appealed to the operators to use them for the purpose they were meant and thanked President Goodluck Jonathan for intervening in some environmental issues concerning the boats.
Let me also appeal to those who are going to manage these boats that they should please use it for the purpose of we are aboard the boats, and that is as passenger boats for our people. Because of the strength of the engines, can be very tempting for people to use it for other reasons. So please, there are both passenger boats for our people in the riverine communities, and they are specially designed so that whether rain or sun, our people will be protected.
Governor Uduaghan appealed to motor park operators to maintain peace and warned warring factions of the National Union of Road Transport Workers (NURTW) in Agbo, Ikasas, not to undermine security in the state. The State Commissioner for Transport, Honorable Ben Igbakpa, assured debtors that the boats will be distributed to reputable transport operators who must operate them only in waterways in the state. He said 30 well-equipped jetties have been constructed to support operations of the boats. Honorable Igbakpa commended Governor Uduaghan for the strides in the transport sector.
In order to realize the vision for water transportation, which involves making Delta State a state with developed water transport system that is safe, secure, effective, and environmentally sustainable for moving people and goods across the waterways, the state embarked on the construction of 30 jetties across the community to service the operation of these boats.
A cross-section of debtors, including some members of the State Executive Council and beneficiaries of the boat, lauded the development in the transport sector, saying the boats would aid development in the riverine areas.
We come from the riverine area. We know the difficulties we've been facing in terms of water transport. With this stride that the governor is doing today, it will be a great relief to people in the riverine area in terms of water riverine area, and it's a welcome development.
To bring down the cost so that people in the riverine area, even people in the city, can say, okay, let me just go on excursion.
This is the first time quality of this kind of boats I ever been bought, and for the use of the people of the state.
What has happened today is something very wonderful.
So from a riverine community, myself, Ugweru, I'm very excited about this because just beside us is Patani, and that's how we commute. And our job is fishing, so we need to transport our goods from the river back to the land.
Governor Uduaghan also commissioned an environmental beautification project in Ekumeku Roundabout, also known as the Itaba Roundabout, in the state capital, sponsored by Zenith Bank PSC. The governor commended the bank for supporting the overall infrastructural development of the state through the beautification project and an ICT center still being constructed. He appealed to house owners in the state to beautify the environment, as government was committed to the massive beautification of all parts of the state.
This particular project particularly gladdens my heart because it's one of the projects that has to do with the environment. And for us in Delta, the environment is very critical.
The general manager and group zonal head, Zenith Bank PSC, Mr. Sunday Ilega, said the beautification project was the bank's way of supporting development in the state.
Investing in people and sowing into the lives and remaining a propelling force in our corporate social responsibility programs.
Mr. Ilega assured the state government of support in improving the living standards of the people. Jayere Ugbeye, Delta TV News.